to draw! Hello kids! In today's video, we will draw the baby shark. Let's start tracing this cute baby shark. Look how easy it is to draw this cute shark drawing. If you tried drawing too, give us a like so we can bring you more easy drawings like this. Look how incredible it is! Time to paint! Let's paint this incredible baby shark's eyes! Time to paint! Red! We will use orange for the nose and eyebrows! Isn't it very cute? Now it's time to paint it yellow. It will be perfect! Don't forget to subscribe and like for more cool videos like this. Bye-bye, kids!